All right, so breadcrumbs enabled. Enable disable navigation breadcrumbs. This one is pretty straightforward. By default, its value is true. So breadcrumbs are enabled by default, and they should because they're very useful. And they pertain to this little thing right here, right? And you can, by the way, you can jump into the breadcrumbs by pressing Shift Command period. And notice that I selected those three dots right there, and you can just navigate through your breadcrumbs, and you can, if you use the down arrow, you can actually navigate through these folders, right? Which is pretty useful, particularly if you're in Zen mode, right? And you want to change files, you can just come here and change to another file. Obviously, this is the settings file, so we're not actually in a repository, but you get the point. All right, so if you set this to false, obviously breadcrumbs will disappear. I don't find that to be very useful, so I'm going to leave this setting set to true.